Dear friends, what do you think where I am right now? Looks like I'm in a flight? No, you're wrong. I am in train number 16236. Yes, this is amazing, and I never expected that my train will be like this. I'm so happy to travel in this. Looks like a flight one. Look at the restroom. This is the restroom where I'm entering. I never thought I will get this comfortness in our Indian railway. And this is a Indian style, restroom. If you look at it, it's a brand new, looks like a totally flight facilities where you have a LED bulbs, fresh air ventilation, where you have a automatic electrical flush for this. I'm not wasting the water. I'm just showing you the facility. I'm sorry for wasting the water. It's such a wonderful, service. Right now there is no water, looks like, but it was coming when I was using. What I'm saying is, government has provided such a wonderful facility to us, and we should maintain this, and we have to bring a good name to our country, saying that, our country is the cleanest country and our railways are doing a very good job. I'm really thankful to the government. Let us maintain this so that we can use it anytime. Yes, in a wonderful way. Thank you.